Hey everyone, so we're going to do a bottle bottom pour on a 14 by 14 canvas. I already covered it with black and I was just getting ready to torch the bubbles out. I kind of want this flower to be off center, so I think we're going to start it up here and let this side run off. But I wanted something bright today, so we'll see what I can come up with. We're going to use the WD-40 silicone spray in the cup so we can get all the paint out. And we are going to do a dirty pour, but we'll probably layer the color in. So I think I'm going to use some flashy colors, like yellow and orange, crimson, and some copper, and probably, here's where I get stuck. Let's throw a little caramel and a little bit of yellow ochre and terracotta. So I just want to layer those colors. And I'm trying not to make a mess because I have black everywhere on this canvas and on the pad. And I want to do at least 2 rounds of these colors, so I'm not going to put a ton of paint in. And I'm going to go ahead and start this. So let's start with the yellow. And then we'll go ahead with the ochre and some orange and some terracotta, some copper, and some crimson. And now I'll tell you what brands they are. This is Artist Loft Brilliant Yellow. This is Lucas Krill Yellow Ochre. Soho Cad Orange Deep. Lucas Krill Terracotta. Artist Loft Copper. And Soho Crimson. And that should be plenty of paint. I may even pick this canvas up a little bit while it's going. I want to try to keep the paint in that area. So let's see how we do. Make sure you can see. And this is 6 bumps on this bottle bottom. I'm concentrating the paint towards the side that I want to run more than the back end here. And I'm just rocking it a little bit to get it going. Because I don't want it to be like a perfect flower. Remember, this is abstract art, so we'll take what we get. Ooh, that's kind of cool. So I'm going to go ahead and push it down before I take that top off. Okay. Maybe we won't get a flower at all. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these back ones in towards the center. Because we're probably going to lose those anyway, so we might as well get some design in our center. I'm going to take just a little bit of this yellow. Okay, let me bring it this way so you can see better. And I'm just going to move it down, stretching it out. And I'll bring it back just a little bit. I'm trying to keep that paint in the middle. Okay, so I want to back this up, so I'm going to put my hand here now that I have all the paint in the middle. You can see it rushing. I want to get that corner covered. And I am catching the paint so it doesn't all run off. And now I'll release it. Once I see that most of my paint is in the middle of the canvas again, we're going to go ahead and stretch the sides out. Okay, let me wipe my hand so I don't get all that color on the black. Okay, so let's head this way. I want to leave just a little bit of black there. If you watch, you can see the paint in the middle moving, and that's where I want to keep that paint. All in one area. It's a little slippery. Almost dropped it. So I've totally lost any petal design that I had, but I'm kind of digging the way this is separating. That's pretty cool right there. I don't think I have anything else I need to touch up. Go ahead and wipe my hands again really well so I can torch. First pass is just air bubbles. The torch and all the supplies that I use are all in my Amazon shop. The links are below in the description. And if you're new, go ahead and click subscribe if you want to see more videos. Click the little bell next to the subscribe button and you'll get notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. And I think that's going to be it. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. All the links are below. Hit my Etsy shop for the big sale this week. 40% off paintings, 30% off jewelry. I'm just going to get this off and I'll give you a close-up. The separation is really cool. Even where we hold the center, it has its own little design there with that crimson. So this turned out totally opposite of what I was looking for, but I love it. I love the bright colors, and we'll see how pretty it is when it dries. So thanks for watching, everyone. Join us on Monday nights. We're live every Monday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, and we hope to see you there. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.